Teacher Jeka, and we are back live once again in our basic math tutorials. Today, I will teach you on how to add and subtract similar fractions. Okay, so adding and subtracting similar fractions. So, let's focus first ourselves in adding similar fractions. Remember, in adding similar fractions, all we have to do is to add the numerators together and then copy the common denominator. And then afterwards, we're going to see whether we can reduce our answer into its simplest form. For instance, we want to add okay, so we want to add 2/3 and 1/3. So going back to the rule, in adding similar fractions, we have to add the numerators together and then copy the denominators. So for our numerators, we have 2 plus 1 and then copy the common denominator, which is 3. So that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 3. Alright, so 2/3 plus 1/3 then is equal to 3 over 3 in its simplest form, and that is equal to 1. Because 3 over 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so can you follow? Very good. Let's consider another example. Let's say we want to add 3/8 and 1/8. Okay, so we want to add 3/8 and 1/8. So how are we going to find for the sum of that? So going back to the rule, we have to add the numerators together and then we copy the common denominator and then simplify our answer. So our numerators are, what are they? Very good. These are, we have 3 and 1. Okay, then we copy the common denominator and that is equal to, okay. So that 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 over 8. Can we consider this as our answer? Yes, but then in the rule in adding similar fractions, we have to simplify our answer if it's possible. Do you think we can reduce this into its simplest form? Very good. So how are we going to do that? I will show you. So by using our greatest common factor, we can easily determine the number that we can divide into our numerator and denominator so that we can able to come up with our lowest term. So let's see the GCF of both 4 and 8. We have, remember our greatest common factor? The prime factors of 4 are, we have 2 times 2 times 1. And the prime factors of 8 are, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 1. Let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, times 1 is 4. And that is by the greatest common factor. We have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8. Recalling the concept for the greatest common factor, we have to list the common factors on both 4 and 8. And getting their product, that will give us the GCF. Okay, so the common factors are, we have 2, we have also another 2, we bring it down to times 2, we have also 1. So that 2 times 2 is 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, the GCF is 4. Since the GCF is 4, we can divide 4 by the numerators and by the denominator. So let's divide it by 4, divided by 4. So that 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 over 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So that 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8 is equal to 1/2. So this is now our final answer. Can you follow? Very good. So let's have another example. Sample number 3. Okay, so we want to add 3 sevenths and 1 sevenths, or that is 3/7 plus 1/7. So, in adding similar fractions, we have always consider, or we need to always consider the concept or the rule in adding similar fractions. That is, we add the numerators together. We have 3 plus 1, and then copy the common denominator, and that is 7. Okay, so we simplify. 3 plus 1 is equal to, very good, that is 4. Where we copy the denominator, and that is 7. So, can we reduce our answer into its simplest form? Exactly. Why? Or how? Why we cannot able to reduce the sum, or 4/7 into its simplest form? Very good. That is simply because the GCF of the numerator and the denominator is equal to 1. So, since the GCF of 4 and 7 is 1, therefore, we conclude that we can no longer get the simplest form of 4/7 because it is already in its simplest form. Therefore, we say 3/7 plus 1/7 is equal to 4/7. Can you follow? Very good. Now, let's have a practice. Let's have math practice. And I want you to answer the problem. So we have okay, so let's say we want to add 3x plus 2x. Would you mind to answer the problem? I will give you 10 seconds to answer the problem. Ready? I'll count you 1 to 10. Go. Okay, time is up. Did you find the answer in getting the sum of 3x and 2x? Very good. So what is your answer? Very good. So let's see. I will show you the solution. Let's see if we have the same answer. So the rule in adding similar fractions: add the common, add the numerators together, and we copy the common denominator. And if we can reduce our answer into its simplest form, we will do it. So we have 3 plus 2/8. So remember, these are the numerators. We get the sum that is equal now to 5/8. So that's 3/8 plus 2/8 is equal to 5/8. Can we reduce this one? No more. Very good. Do we have the same answer? Do we have the same answer? Very good. So, that's it for adding similar fractions. Can you follow? Very good. Do you have any question? Okay, very good. So now, let's proceed in subtracting similar fractions. For subtracting similar fractions, it's just the same, quite the same in adding similar fractions. Only that, the operation is different. Of course. For subtracting similar fractions, we subtract the numerators together and then copy the denominator, common denominator, and then we also simplify our answer if it's possible. Okay, for subtracting similar fractions, let's consider this example. Okay, so we have example number 1 for subtracting similar fractions. Alright, so we want to get the difference of okay, so we want to get the difference of 5 over 8 and 3 over 8. Okay, so as I have said earlier, we just simply subtract the numerators together and then copy the common denominator. So we have 5 minus 3 over 8. So that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 over 8. Can we reduce this in lowest term? Can we reduce this in lowest term? Exactly. So take that. What's the GCF of 2 and 8? Very good. So the GCF is 2. So we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So we have 2. So that 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8 is equal to 1/4. Can you follow? Very good. So let's have another example. Let's say we want to get the difference of 8 over 9 minus 4 over 9. So, again, applying the rule, we subtract the numerators. We have 8 minus 4 over 9. 8 minus 4 is 8. It's 4 over 9. Can we reduce 4 over 9 into its simplest form? No. Very good. Why? Exactly because the GCF of 4 and 9 is 1. Okay, so let's see. 4 and 9. So we have factors of 4. We have 2 times 2 times 1. And factors of 9, prime factors of 9, we have 3 times 3 times 1. And they're common to them. Do 4 and 9 have common factors? Exactly, that is 1. Since the GCF is 1, we call this or since 1 is the GCF, there's no need for us to get the lowest term or the simplest form of 4 and 9 because 4 over 9 is already in its simplest form. Can you follow? Very good. So, try to do this. But, practice. Get the difference of okay, so we have 9 over 15 minus 6 over 15. Would you mind to solve the given problem? Very good. So, what's your answer? Okay, very good. So, let's see whether we have the same answer. So, again, apply the rule. We have to get the difference of the numerators. We have 9 minus 6, and then we copy the common denominator, that is 15. So, that 9 minus 6 is very good. That is 3 over 15. Can we reduce our answer into its simplest form? Exactly. That is equal to 1 over 5 because 3 and 15 are both divisible by 3, or the GCF of 3 and 15 are or is 15 or is 3. That's why if we divide 3 the numerators by 3, the numerator by 3, that is equal to what? And 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, 9 over 15 minus 6 over 15 is equal to 1 over 5. Do you have any question? Do you know how to add and subtract similar fractions? Very good. So, that's it for today. And I hope you enjoy watching my video. So, for more updates of my videos, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, that is Jake Bautista, and try to hit the bell button. You can also visit my Facebook account. It's Jeka. It's J, capital letter J, E, space, K, A. And also, my Instagram account, that is Jeka03131991. You can also write your comments for improvements. Thank you for watching. This is Jeka once again. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.